What's up, guys? John here. So I just installed a brand new block off plate for my Yamaha R3. So as you know, I have a full exhaust system right there. So like every time I ride my bike and let the throttle go down, stuff like that, it's make a lot of like popping noise, and it's getting annoying, man. I don't like those popping noise anymore. So I installed a blocker plate. So what you do is you remove this panel right here. You see the bolt, 1, 2 bolt, remove that, and do exactly on the same like on the other side. And then you take the chair off, and then take 2 this bolt off, take that off, and then there's like 2 screws right here. You take 2 screws right here, take it off, and then this one right here, and there's like 2 small screws right here, one this side, one this side, take it off. And the tank cover, there's like 2 screws right here, I believe, like one right here, one right here, same thing on the other side, take it off. Then you can lift the tank cover up, and then after that there's like 2 screws right here, 1, 2 for the gas tank, same thing up here, 1, 2. Then when you take those bolt off, you just lift the gas tank up, and then pull it right here. You'll need to remove any wire or any like hole and stuff. Just leave it there, and then the block up place like right here. Yeah, it took me like 2 hours to like figure it out to install it. They have like video on YouTube show you how to do all those things. Man, YouTube is so fucking helpful. You need any help, just go on YouTube, search it up, and they show you how to do it. And yeah, when I installed the blocker plate with the full system exhaust air, when I ride, it's so smooth, dude. There's like no noise coming out, like the exhaust, like the pop-up noise. There's none of that, man. And usually when I don't have the block-up plate, I let go of the gas right there, downshift and stuff. There's like popping noise coming out, and then flame coming out. And when I install the block-up plate, there's like no flame, no noise, and you sip a little bit of gas, I think, because of all the like flame like shooting out and stuff. And if you have a R3 with a full system exhaust, I would recommend you put a block up plate on it. It's only costs like $28. It's so worth it, dude. So worth it. And this is my helmet right here. So this helmet just arrived home like 2 days ago. You see? This thing is badass, man. Look at this. So cool. There's the vent right here. It's open right now. So you press this down, it's closed, open. Same thing on the top right here. 2 vent, that closed. This is open right here. It's so badass, man. I like this. And if you lift your visor up, that, and then there's like a switch right here. You press this shit up. Look at this. That's like another glass visor for you. So yeah. So like if I need like some air, just lift up the visor, put this down. So like when you ride behind a car and stuff, like rock and stuff fly to your eye and stuff. When I don't have this this visor right here, I was riding around behind a car, right, and then there's like a small rock hit my face. Man, it's so close to my eye, dude. That's why I choose the helmet like this, dude. So protect my eye if I lift that thing up. So you just press this down, this go up. And I have a no cell phone sticker right there. So like when I'm riding around, there's like a lot of people like on their cell phone and stuff. So like every time I pull up next to them, point at that shit, they just put their phone down. So I hate people on cell phone, man. It just fucking piss me off. Like I said in the last few video, I just started riding by like a few months ago, and I already smashed like 2 fucking mirrors. Those people are so fucking pissed me off. They almost fucking hit my bike, and they give me a fucking finger and shit, and they like try to show off and shit, try to like go hella fast, pass me and stuff. Almost fucking kill me. That's why I'm so fucking pissed. And I smashed the shit out of those mirrors. I have the video on my GoPro, but I don't want to show it because I might get in trouble and stuff. No, all those shit happened in Mexico, okay? All the mirror smash happened in Mexico, okay? Just letting y'all know that, okay? So yeah, and the last few days I'm on my on my computer searching for like a new motorcycle, a used R1 or R6, a 2010, 9 or 8, like cause I'm gonna use that bike to like go to work all the time. I don't want to spend like money on like a brand new R1 or R6 because I work all the way down in Fontana and I live far away. I work down at the trucking company down there for my family, so like every day I had to ride like 50 up 50 down. That's like 100 miles, dude. And I work from wake up at 6, get ready, get out of the house at 7, work all the way down to like 7:30 at night, and then another hour drive back home. Like it's so fucking exhausting. So yeah, no reason I look for a new bike. Plus I'm thinking about like quitting my family job to go to like UTI, the mechanic school, UTI down to I think down Long Beach. So they teach you how like fix car and stuff like that. I'm thinking about doing that, get my like, I don't know if they like give you a license or shit like that, but just look like briefly online. They say they show you, and after a year they're gonna give you like a job in like a car company, fix car and stuff in there. So I was thinking about that. So like you work like in the morning, like late in the morning, and then you get home around like 5 or 6. Plus you don't have to ride like 50 miles up and down every day, dude. So fucking exhausting. Yeah, it's either a 2010, 9 or 8 or 1 or R6, or a Harley Davidson, a small Harley Davidson. I look online, some of those like 8 or 10,000 miles, but they are used. They have like around 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it, and R6 and R1 used, it's only like 4 or 5K, and it got like 10 or 15,000 miles on it. But like what's it, like 80% like of me, like inside me, like I want to get R1 or R6, and the other 20% want to get a Harley Davidson stuff. So yeah, and yeah, so if you have a R3 with a full system exhaust without any tune, I would recommend you get a block-off plate. Would fucking help you like reduce all those like popping noise and flame coming out of your exhaust and stuff. So yeah, it was so fucking worth it, dude. $28, I believe, $28 for that block-off plate. They give you like a rubber hose like this, so you can like cap off the old plate thingy on that side. if you go on YouTube, on like how to install a lockup plate, there's like ton of video pop up. They're gonna show you how to do it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go home now. It's fucking cold as hell outside, dude. And I'm on top of this 5-story parking lot building. So there's like camera everywhere. They looking at me like this guy's fucking crazy or some shit, man. It's like 15 minutes ago there's like security. They come up here, they say, what are you doing up here? I said, I'm filming some stuff. They say, okay. They say they let me film for like 5 or 6 minutes, but I've been up here for the last 10 minutes, so I don't see anybody going up here, so I'll probably have to go now. So yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna turn on the bike, let you hear, and rape the shit out of this thing before I go, or they gonna like get me in trouble and stuff. Give me a second, I'm putting my helmet on first. If they come up here, I'm gonna run away. One second. I got long ass hair, so that's why I need to tuck this shit in. 1 second. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna let you guys hear the exhaust when I go down the parking lot right there.